Hey YouTube, Josh here, doing a commentary of my Cobra Elite Series RC helicopter. It's a 3.5 channel helicopter. I got it for like 60 bucks at Shields. It's a really good plane for beginners because it's very easy to fly. It's got a gyro in it. It's only a 3-channel, so it's really easy to fly. It's got 2 powerful motors on it. And then it's got the third one for the tail. Yeah. Had this for about 3 years now, and it's a really good helicopter. Charge time is about an hour. It's got a safety protection charger thing that won't let it overcharge. Yeah, this is the transmitter that came with it. The 3-channel transmitter. You got your power button that turns it on. My batteries are kind of dead right now. You got throttle. You got forward, reverse, left, right. You got your gyro switch, and you got a tail rotor speed switch that just speeds it up, slows it down, makes it really easy. Makes it a lot easier to control. And for some reason, when I bought it, it didn't come with antenna, so I just put my own on. And I found this somewhere in my house. Yeah, works pretty good. It comes with the charger, the transmitter, and the helicopter. So, yeah, it's a great helicopter. Yeah, that's all I got. Peace.